Prompter, we're looking for the prompter.
Football and music joining forces here at Orlando Stadium. On stage right now, three footballing icons and legends. J.J. Okocha from Nigeria, Socrates, one of my favourite Brazilian players, and Andy Cole, former Man United striker.
How you doing, guys?
Hello, South Africa.
Hi, South Africa. Kinako. Every now and then, a song comes along that perfectly captures the emotion of football. Tonight, we celebrate the song that captured the feel of Africa's first World Cup. South Africa need to hear you! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Come on! Make some noise!
Soweto, wave your flags for knaan!
And the man with a microphone, Quinton Fortune, former South African football player as well.
Born to a throne, stronger than Rome, but violent prone, poor people's zone. But it's my home, all I have known, where I got grown. Streets we would roam, out of the darkness, I came the farthest, among the hardest. Survival, learn from these streets, it can be bleak, except no defeat. Surrender, retreat, so we fighting to eat, and when we'll be free, so we patiently wait for that fateful day. It's not far away, but for now we say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our hands are lifted as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. You're gonna be freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave. Take the field now, unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our hands are lifted as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation's all around us. Staying forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag. winning scores, bringing us promises, leaving us poor. I heard them say, love is the way, love is the answer, that's what they say. But look how they treat us, make us believers. We fight their battles, then they deceive us. Try to control us, they couldn't hold us, cause we just move forward like so we struggling, fighting to eat and we wondering when we'll be free. So we patiently wait for that fateful day. It's not far away, but for now we say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag, just like a waving flag, just like a waving flag, just like a waving flag. Thank you so much. Love you.
My favourite performance of the night, I don't care, knaan, who's Somalian but based in Canada, and that is one of the official World Cup songs, Waving Flags. The crowd went berserk to that. Every football fan can relate to that song.